Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today, we are making fish tacos.
All right.
And shrimp tacos.
That's even better.
So fish and shrimp tacos. So seafood tacos?
Yeah. That's
How about surf tacos? That's what we're going to call it.
Surf tacos.
Surf
Great name.
tacos. We have our coleslaw, but it's not your typical coleslaw, no. We want to throw some relish in here. We want to throw some corn in here. Yes. You know, of course, you have your typical mayo that goes in here. And we have our Himalayan salt and black pepper.
Yeah,
and we have paprika. You got it. Yep.
It's true.
So, and then we have our tricolor bell peppers. And for our salsa that we're gonna make. And we have some pineapples. And we have some cherry tomatoes. And we have some basils. And we have our red onions. And that's gonna be our salsa. And of course, we're gonna have our usual family, which is not currently here, but we're going to add it, of course. What's our family? Our Himalayan salt and
Himalayan salt and pepper, of course.
That's right, our black pepper.
Oh, black pepper.
Those are little babies that we always have around.
Of course.
And here's our rockfish. We've already seasoned it. What did you have here, Ian, on your seasoning? Some garlic powder.
We had garlic. We had a little bit of paprika. We had a little bit of
Onion powder.
Onion powder.
Old Bay seasoning.
Old Bay seasoning, without a doubt.
Which is pretty much used a lot in seafood seasoning. And we had our children's Himalayan salt
pepper.
And black pepper, which we call our loves.
Yes.
So if you watch this, you would know that. And so this is what we have seasoning the fish. And we have our shrimp, which had the same seasoning as well. And here it is, our flour here, our self-rising flour, and it's because we want our batter to be a little bit puffier, so to speak, leavening, rising up a little bit. So that's why we have the self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour. You'll add some baking powder or baking soda to it. And we have the typical seasonings that we mentioned here: the garlic salt, the Himalayan salt, the black pepper, paprika, onion powder, Old Bay.
Yes.
And that's what we have here. We want to show you on the flour, and then of course we'll mix that up. So that's what we have on this tray. And then over here, you can't have tacos and not have lime or avocados. But of course, again, like I said, we love to be different here. So
yeah, it's true.
We're not having rice on our taco, but we're actually having hash brown crowns. That's what we're having. And here is our corn tortilla, which we're going to fry up each side so you can kind of get that crispy edge to it. And this is our dressing sauce on it, which is our mayo, our sour cream, and sweet Thai chili sauce. So I know that you can't wait to have your palates having a party with us.
Yes.
So we'll be back with the vitamin content. Here's our vitamin content. Okay, so we have our rockfish here. Rockfish is it's a mild, soft fish, kind of like your tilapia, your cod. So this is our rockfish, and we have our shrimp here, and this is for our shrimp tacos. And I'm just gonna kind of lightly coat it in here and put it in our avocado oil. So here I am. I'm gonna coat. And so I have some fish and shrimp I'm cooking in here. Be careful how you drop this, obviously. Ooh, sorry guys. This is our shrimp that's completed so far. This is our fish for our fish tacos. Okay, while Ian's doing his tacos, I'm going to go ahead in here and make our creamy sweet Thai chili sauce.
That sounds good, Mama.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sure does.
Put some sweet Thai chili sauce here. Get that creaminess going on in here. Okay.
Yes.
So Ian, you're good there? Yeah, I think you're darker.
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Okay.
So you say the dark on the outside, right?
Dark on the outside, yes. And so that's going to help it to take its shape.
Right.
And
Yeah.
just put it, squeeze it down. Yeah. Yeah, you got your gloves on. Okay,
Yeah, okay,
good.
I got gloves on.
All right.
Okay, so we're set there. I'm gonna shut this
Okay, so you
down.
just turn off your stove top.
Yes.
Let me cut our. See now
Oh,
this
yeah,
is
that's
good.
right. Cool.
I have to get this through here. Make sure that all parts are fully incorporated. Yeah. So you can see there's some white. I'm looking at the side of the bowl. So now I see everything's like kind of all gone. And we are ready. We're gonna remove our pit. I'll use this as my little garbage right now.
Oh,
And here, the pit comes right out. So I'm just cutting it down into straight line, just across as well. And then I'll use my spoon to scoop it out. Okay, so Ian has all his salsa ingredients mixed in, which is his basil, cherry tomatoes, his pineapples, his bell peppers, his bell peppers,
yes.
and his red onions. And now he's just gonna add a tad bit of Himalayan salt. Okay, and then he's gonna add a little touch of love.
Oh, yes, just a little touch. Let me grab this.
Just a little touch of love. Gotta get things loving, okay? And he's gonna squeeze a little bit of lime and he's just gonna mix it up.
Yes.
While he has that going on, I am gonna start to make his taco. And what we're gonna do on the bottom of the taco is we are going to take some hash browns. I have gloves on. And we're going to crush the hash browns. Crush them a little bit. And now we're gonna put some of the coleslaw.
Oh, yes.
Our special coleslaw. Okay.
Of course.
We're gonna put
syrup.
a little fishy here.
Oh,
And we're gonna put some shrimpy
Shrimp.
here.
I'll turn it around for you.
Thank you. Get some of our shrimpy here for
Yes.
you.
What else do you wanna
And-
go with next?
I think we should go with some of the salsa.
Oh, yes. Just a little tinge.
Oops.
Okay.
Okay, we have Ian's avocado.
The dressing of all dressings.
This is some good stuff here.
Yeah.
Now that I've experimented with you,
Yes.
now I know I have to go much lighter.
Uh-huh.
I let you be the guinea pig first.
Yes.
Okay, I need the fish.
You got the fish.
Oh, the hash brown. Oh man, okay, that's okay.
I'm gonna give you both right there.
That's all right.
Don't forget, go light now to make it right.
Yeah. I was supposed to put that on before, but that's okay. So I have one piece here, and I have
A little surf tacos.
yeah, little surfing tacos.
Mm-hmm.
And let me get the
What do you want? This? The sauce?
salsa. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Now that looks nice.
Let me have my avocado, please. All right, here we go. And here are a list of ingredients. Well, this is our fish
Yes.
and shrimp tacos, our surfing tacos.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick my plate up. Did you guys hear that crunch? This is a party in your mouth, for sure. The discotheque is here. Guys,
Yeah.
this is not hard to make. You can do this. I promise you. It look like a lot of components, but you can do this. I promise you. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you click the like button, it gives us a virtual hug. And we love hugs, Ian and myself. We're big
100,
huggers.
Yeah.
And subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I am loving every bite of this. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We really enjoy you hanging out. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.
Love you guys.